There's a certain magic that happens when the open road unfolds ahead of you. The sense of freedom, the feeling of possibility, the excitement of waking up somewhere new. That's exactly what you get with the 2026 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds, one of the most popular and versatile Class C motorhomes available today. Welcome back to Next Gen Motorhomes. And if you love RV tours that blend comfort, capability, and real-world living, make sure to hit that subscribe button before we begin. The 4 Winds series has long been a favorite among RVers because it strikes the perfect balance. Easy to drive, spacious enough for real living, and packed with features that make every journey feel like a vacation. For 2026, Thor has refined and upgraded the 4 Winds lineup even further with multiple floor plans, smart storage solutions, and thoughtful engineering that helps this motorhome perform well whether you're heading to a nearby state park or embarking on a cross-country adventure. Starting with the chassis and powertrain, the 4 Winds is built on the trusted Ford E-Series platform. The standard 7.3L Triton V8 gasoline engine produces ample power, 325 horsepower, and 450 lb-ft of torque, giving you the responsiveness and confidence you need for both highway cruising and local driving. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this rig feels solid and controlled behind the wheel, even when towing a small camper car or toys for your adventures. Exterior design on the 2026 4 Winds blends function with modern styling. A one-piece fiberglass front cap and aerodynamic roofline help improve fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise, while integrated storage compartments, often labeled mega storage, give you room for camp chairs, outdoor gear, tools, and more without crowding the living space inside. The power patio awning with LED lighting instantly expands your living area outdoors, creating a perfect space for morning coffee, afternoon relaxation, or dinner under the stars. Now let's step inside and explore what makes the 4 Winds feel so comfortable and livable. Right away, the interior feels open, inviting, and thoughtfully arranged. Whether you're tall or short, young or old, the space inside has been optimized so that nothing feels cramped, a rare and valuable trait in the Class C world. The living area typically includes a spacious sofa or convertible dinette, depending on the floor plan you choose. These seating areas are plush and supportive, perfect for reading, watching TV, enjoying meals, or just relaxing after a long day of driving. The heart of any motorhome is the kitchen, and the 4 Winds delivers. With a 3-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, and double-door refrigerator, you've got everything you need to prepare a wide range of meals, from quick breakfasts before an early hike to full dinners shared with family or friends. Solid surface countertops give you real workspace, and deep storage cabinets keep dishes, cookware, and dry goods organized. One of the standout features of the 4 Winds lineup is the dining space. Whether you opt for the booth-style dinette or the L-shaped seating in larger floor plans, this area becomes a central gathering spot. It's a place where you can plan your route, share a meal, play a board game, or even work remotely, all while enjoying views of the surrounding landscape through large windows. When it's time to rest, the 4 Winds doesn't disappoint. Most floor plans include a rear bedroom area with a queen or king-size bed that stays separate from the main living space, providing privacy and quiet when you need it most. Additional sleeping options include cab-over bunk beds and dinette conversions, so families or small groups can sleep comfortably without sacrificing living space. The bathroom area in the 4 Winds is designed to feel roomy and functional. Many models feature a walk-in shower with a glass door, a vanity with storage, and plenty of space for daily routines, brushing teeth, showering, or dressing for the day ahead. Smart storage solutions keep toiletries and linens organized so you never feel cluttered, even on extended trips. Let's talk about the cockpit and driving experience. The driver and passenger seats are comfortable and supportive, with plenty of adjustments so you can find the perfect driving position. The center dash features a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth audio, and smartphone connectivity via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, great for long drives and road music playlists. A backup camera, cruise control, and responsive mirrors make parking, reversing, and driving stress-free, even in tight campgrounds. One of the things that truly sets the Four Winds apart is its real-world usability. Systems like automatic leveling jacks make setup quick and painless when you reach your destination. Exterior LED lights provide visibility after dark, and well-placed grab handles make entering and exiting safe and easy. These aren't just nice extras. They're features that simplify life on the road. Living off-grid? The Four Winds is ready for that, too. With options like solar prep systems, powerful HVAC units with air conditioning and furnace, and efficient LP systems for water heating, you've got what you need to stay comfortable and self-sufficient. Tanks for fresh water, gray water, and black water are sized for multiple days of dry camping, and Quick Connect utilities make hooking up at RV parks simple. Thor doesn't forget about storage either. The Four Winds has mega storage compartments along the exterior that are deeper and more accessible than you might expect, giving you room for outdoor gear, folding chairs, camping tables, and even larger items like bikes. Inside, overhead cabinets, closets, and underbed storage work together to keep personal items organized and out of the way. Now, the part you've been waiting for, price and value. The 2026 Thor Motor Coach Four Winds lineup typically begins around $130,000 MSRP at base level, with larger and more feature-rich floor plans extending into the $160,000 plus range, depending on options and dealer pricing. For a Class C that offers so much living space, cockpit comfort, kitchen usability, flexible sleeping arrangements, and camping convenience, that pricing positions the Four Winds as one of the best values in the category. You're not just buying a motorhome, you're investing in freedom, experiences, and memories that last a lifetime. When you imagine your next road trip, whether it's a weekend escape, a month-long adventure, or a full season on the road, you want a rig that feels both reliable and comfortable. That's exactly what the 2026 Four Winds delivers. Its ease of driving, smart layout, real-world features, and all-weather functionality make it a motorhome suited for all kinds of travelers, from solo adventurers to families to retirees exploring every corner of the country. In the end, the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Four Winds isn't just an RV, it's a gateway to adventure. It's a home you can take anywhere, a vehicle that inspires you to go farther, stay longer, and explore more deeply. Whether you're catching a sunrise at the Grand Canyon, winding through the Blue Ridge Mountains, or parking beside a silent lake under the stars, the Four Winds is ready to take you there. Before you go, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed the tour, subscribe to Next Gen Motorhomes for more detailed RV walkthroughs, and comment below. Where would you take your Four Winds on its first adventure? The open road is calling, and your journey begins now.